ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सवीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरननदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्तगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् पंकजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। अथ पंचमोऽध्यायः।
अथ पञ्चमोऽध्यायः।
अध्यायः
अवतारिका भाषायाम् अवतारिका भाष्ये भगवत्पादेन पादैः उक्तं कर्मयोगः स्वप्ने अपि आत्मविदः संभावयितुं न शक्यते। यस्मात् यतः यतः कुतः कुतः इति पृच्छेत्। यतः यस्मात् यस्मात् कारणात् इति अष्ट हेतुः उच्यते आचार्येण। सम्यक् ज्ञानमित्याज्ञान तत्कार्य विरोधात् आत्मविदाम् अनात्मवित् कर्तृक कर्मयोग निष्ठातः निष्क्रियात्मस्वरूप अवस्थान लक्षणायाः ज्ञान निष्ठायाः पृथक् कारणात् कृतकृत्यत्वेन आत्मविदः प्रयोजनान्तरभावात् इति तृतीय कारणम्। तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते इति कर्तव्यान्तरभाववचनात् च चतुर्थम्। न कर्मणामनारम्भात् संन्यासत्व महाबाहो दुःखम् आप्तुम् अयोगतः इत्यादिना च आत्मज्ञानस्य अंगत्वेन कर्मयोगः विधीयते विधानात्। योगारूढस्य शमः कारणम् आरुरुक्षोः कर्म कारणमुच्यते। अतः उत्पन्न सम्यक् दर्शनस्य इत्युक्ते आत्मविदः कर्मयोग अभाव वचनात्। शारीरं केवलं कर्म कुर्वन् किल्बिषं न आप्नोति। अतः शरीरस्थिति कारण अतिरिक्तस्य कर्मणः निवारणात् अभाववचनात्। नैव किञ्चित् करोमि इति जनेन शरीरस्थिति मात्र प्रयुक्तेषु एव दर्शन श्रवणादि कर्मसु करोमि इत्यस्य समाहित चैतस्तया कर्तव्यत्व उपदेशात् इति। अतः आत्मविदः स्वप्ने अपि कर्मयोगः संभवितुं न शक्यते। For all these reasons, we have seen this, we know it very well. Therefore, from that we will read. Yasmat, therefore tasmat. Tasmat
तस्मात्
तस्मात्
अनात्मवित् कर्तृकयोः एव
अनात्मवित् कर्तृकयोः एव
कर्तृकयोः
संन्यास कर्म योगयोः निःश्रेयसकरत्ववचनम्।
सन्न्यासकर्मयोगो
संन्यासकर्मयोगो
निःश्रेयसकरः वचनम्
वचनम्
संन्यास कर्म योगश्च निःश्रेयसकरा उभौ. भगवान says कीदृशः संन्यासः अनात्तवित् कर्तृक संन्यासः कर्मयोगश्च उभयोः उभयोः निःश्रेयसकरत्वं वचनं. both are the sadhanam for निःश्रेयस मोक्ष. निःश्रेयसकरत्व वचनं कस्य वचनं? भगवतः वचनं, आचार्यस्य कृष्णस्य वचनं. संन्यासः विविदिशा संन्यासः विविदिशा संन्यासः कर्मयोगः उभयोः निःश्रेयसकरत्व वचनं. both will take a person, both are the sadhanam for moksha. But vividisha sannyasa, anattavitakataka sannyasa, meaning that person has not commenced his jnana yoga yet. Like karma yogi is also ajnani, the sannyasi is also ajnani. Therefore, since both are two different lifestyles, sannyasa dharma, jnana yogena sankhyana, and karma yogena yogina, two different lifestyles. Therefore, both will take a person to anyone, both means any, adopting any one of them, the person will gain moksha. It means grasthashrame अनुष्ठित कर्मयोग द्वारा संन्यास आश्रमे अनुष्ठित संन्यासाश्रम द्वारा वा. So not by pure karma yoga, by karma yogena the person elevates to jnana yoga either by taking sannyasa or by remaining in the grasthashrama itself pursuing jnana. But jnanam is the only means for moksha. Therefore, anatta-vittakatraka sannyasa and karma yoga, they are indirect means for moksha. Direct means is only jnana. Therefore, nishreyasakaratva vachanam, there is no problem in saying nishreyasam, nishreyasakaratvam, nishreyasakarau, ubau. There is no problem in saying. Therefore, there is no confusion. How sannyasa and karma yoga both will be nishreyasakarat, nishreyasakarau. Fine. Next one. Tadiyacha
तदीयाञ्च
कर्म संन्यासात् पूर्वोक्त आत्मवित् कर्तृक सर्वकर्म संन्यास विलक्षणात् सति एव
कर्मसन्न्यासात्
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 पूर्वोक्त
पूर्वोक्तात्
आत्मवित् कर्तृक
आत्मवित्
सर्वकर्म
सर्वकर्मसन्न्यासविलक्षणात्
संन्यासविलक्षणात्
सर्वकर्मसन्न्यासविलक्षणात्
एव
कर्तृत्व विज्ञाने
कर्तृत्वविज्ञाने
कर्तृत्वविज्ञाने
कर्मैकदेश विषयात्
कर्मैकदेशविषयात्
कर्मैकदेशविषयात्
यम नियमादि सहितत्वेन च दुरनुष्ठेयात् सुकरत्वेन च कर्मयोगस्य
यमनियमादिसहितत्वेन
यमनियमादिसहितत्वेन
च
च
दुरनुष्ठेयात्
दुरनुष्ठेयात्
सुकरत्वेन च
सुकरत्वेन च
कर्मयोगस्य
विशिष्टत्व अभिधानम्
विशिष्टत्व
विशिष्टत्वाभिधानम्
अभिधानम्
इति एवं
इति
प्रतिवचनवाक्यात् निरूपणेन अपि
इति
इत्येवं
एवं
प्रतिवचनवाक्यार्थ
प्रतिवचनवाक्यात्
निरूपणेन
निरूपणेन
अपि
अपि
पूर्वोक्तः प्रष्टुः अभिप्रायः
पूर्वोक्तः
पूर्वोक्तः
प्रष्टुः अभिप्रायः
प्रष्टुरभिप्रायः
निश्चीयते इति स्थितम्.
निश्चीयते
निश्चीयते
इति
इति
स्थितम्.
स्थितम्.
तदीया च कर्म संन्यासात् is that type of karma sannyasa, anatmavid kartaka sannyasa, vividisha sannyasa, which is different from purvokta atmavid kartaka sannyasa. कुत्र उक्तम कस्मिन् अध्याये गत अध्याये चतुर्थ अध्याये उक्तम सति कर्तृत्व विज्ञाने the knowledge of aham karta it is there, the knowledge of kartrutva vigyane which sannyasa vividisha sannyasa anatavita kartrika sannyasa kartritva vijnane. There is kartritva vijnana chagitam, kartritva vijnana chagitam vividisha sannyasa. Kartritva vijnanam is ajnanam only. So vividisha sannyasa is jnana ragita sannyasa. Otherwise, kevala sannyasa. Just giving up. Jnana ragita sannyasa, anatmavita katrika sannyasa, vividisha sannyasa. Jnana sagita sannyasa is vidvat sannyasa. Therefore, kartritva vijnane referring to what type of sannyasa? Vividisha sannyasa, anatmavita katrika sannyasa. So vividisha sannyasa, anatmavita katrika sannyasa, kartritva vijnane sati saptami. When there is kartritva vijnanam, when there is knowledge of the doership, aham karta iti. And also karmaika desha vishayat. It is also ekadesha, karmaika desha. Karma is not completely given up in this vividisha sannyasa. Karma is there. Certain karmas are followed, certain japa, etc. Or these are recommended for the sannyasis. Therefore, it is not completely given up. They also do certain nitya anushtanam. Certain things are to be done. That is vividisha sannyasa. And also, because it is sannyasa, therefore there will be yama, niyamadi. All these things, rules have to be followed because it is sannyasa ashrama, do's and don'ts, which is not there in the grastha ashrama, which is not in the karma yoga lifestyle. Therefore, duranushteyat, dukkhyanushteyat, kasmin, kasyam nishtayam, that is sannyasa, sankhya nishtayam, sannyasa ashrame. Duranushteyat, vividisha sannyasa, that too, not vidvat. And sukaratvena karma yogasya, in karma yoga lifestyle, it is easy. Compared to that, karma yogasya visitatva vidhanam. Because it is, karma yoga is easy. Easy means not that karma yoga is really easy. Karma yoga also has got difficulty. It's not easy, that much easy. Grastha is not that much easy. But there one can afford to make mistakes. One can afford to lose, afford to not strictly adhering to yama niyama, because it is the karma yoga lifestyle. Therefore, certain compromises are allowed or made, but it is not there. That is not there in the sannyasa ashrama. In the karma yoga lifestyle, the person has got enough chances or avenues for correcting oneself. That is not there. Yama niyama to be followed means to be followed in the ashrama, sannyasa ashrama. If the karma yogi could not follow in a given situation, particular situation, he corrects next time. There is no next time for the sannyasi. Therefore, yama niyamadi sagita sagitattvena vartamanaha sannyasah vividisha sannyasah. Grastha also is there. Values have to be followed. But there the person can afford to commit mistakes. It is natural, but that is not allowed even in sannyasa ashrama. Lifestyle is so tight. So one has to strictly adhere to the rules. That is why grastha ashrama doing mistakes, that doesn't come to highlight. Whereas if a sannyasi does something, it becomes the talk of the day. All media will talk about that. Therefore, which ashrama is better? Karma yogasya visishtatvam. That is why karma yoga is superior. Not purely because sannyasa ashrama is inferior. Because it is difficult to follow the rules and regulations which are which are mandated, which are required, which are to be followed in the sannyasa ashrama, that it is not in the karma yoga lifestyle. Therefore, karma yoga is easy. Arjuna can afford to do mistake, but not Vyasacharya. So therefore, Visishtatva Vidhanam. Assuming Vyasacharya is sannyasi, rishi. So therefore, karma yoga is Visishtatva Vidhanam. Therefore, Nishayasa Karatva Vachanam and karma yoga is Visishtatva Vidhanam. Iti evam Prativachana Vakyat Narupanena. Prativachana answer given by Bhagavan to the Arjuna's question. By that, Abhipraya of the questioner is Nishchiyate. The Abhipraya of the questioner Arjuna is, it is confirmed. Arjuna asked, which one should I follow? Therefore, there is a scope for choosing one among the two. Therefore, Prashtu Abhipraya Nishchiyate, the intention is made very clear. So, Prativachanam also is there of the Lord. So, therefore, it is not a wrong question. Prashtuhu Prashnaha Upapannaha eva natu anupapannaha iti nishchiyate iti. Then Jayasi chet karmanaste iti.
जायसि
जायसि
चेत्
चेत्
कर्मणस्ते
कर्मणस्ते
इति
इति
Atra ज्ञानकर्मणोः सह
अत्र ज्ञान
कर्मणो
अत्र
सह
ज्ञानकर्मणोः सह
असंभवे
असम्भवे
असम्भवे
यच्छ्रेयः एतयोः तद्ब्रूहि इति एवं पृष्टः अर्जुनेन
यच्छ्रेयः
यच्छ्रेयः
एतयोः
एतयोः
तत्
तद्ब्रूहि
ब्रूहि
इति एवं
इत्येवं
पृष्टः
पृष्टो
अर्जुनेन
अर्जुनेन
भगवान् सांख्यानां सन्न्यासिनां
भगवान्
भगवान्
साङ्ख्यानां
साङ्ख्यानां सन्न्यासिनां
सन्न्यासिनां
ज्ञानयोगेन निष्ठा
ज्ञानयोगेन
ज्ञानयोगेन निष्ठा
निष्ठा
पुनः कर्मयोगेन योगिनां निष्ठा
पुनः
पुनः कर्मयोगेन
कर्मयोगेन
योगिनां
योगिनां
निष्ठा
निष्ठा
प्रोक्ता इति निर्णयं चकार.
प्रोक्ता इति
प्रोक्ता इति
निर्णयं
निर्णयं
चकार
चकार.
It seems we have seen, right? We have seen the introduction to the first shloka also. Anyway, Yayasi chet karmanaste mata buddhir janardana tatkim karmani gore mam niyojayasi keshava iti. The third chapter, the first shloka, that is Arjuna's question, Arjunasya prashnaha. So there, as an answer to that, jnana karmanoho saha asambhave, because of impossibility of simultaneously following jnanam, that is sannyasa, and act karma, which is karma yoga. Therefore, yat shreyaha tad bruhi iti evam prashtaha arjunena, evam prashtaha kena arjunena. For him, Bhagavan, lokesmin dvividha nishtha pura prokta mayanaha jnana yogena sankyanam karma yogena yogina sankyanam sannyasinam. The lifestyle of knowledge, lifestyle which is characterized by jnanam for the sannyasis, and the lifestyle which is characterized by karma for karma yogis. Therefore, true lifestyle, committed lifestyles, prokta iti nirnayam chakara. Bhagavan very clearly made the decision, made a declaration, conclusion. Then, nacha sanyasanadeva kevala, nacha sanyasanadeva
न च सन्न्यसनादेव
kevalat
केवलात्
केवलात्
siddhim samadhigacchati.
सिद्धि
सिद्धिं
समधिगच्छति
समधिगच्छति.
Not siddhi, siddhim. Here the
सिद्धिं
anuswara is missing. Anuswara,
सिद्धि
visarga, all this will be a problem in this PDF. But we know the shloka, siddhim samadhigacchati. Sanyasanat, siddhi samadhigacchati, siddhi will become the subject. That is not a subject. The person will not get success. So siddhi is karma, object. Therefore siddhim samadhigacchati.
Samadhigacchati.
Kevalat sanyasanat. That is, just by sannyasa, one cannot gain siddhi, success, that is moksha. Iti vachanat.
Iti vachanat.
Jnanasahitasya
Jnanasahitasya
siddhi sadhanatvam ishtam.
siddhisadhanatvam ishtam.
Karmayogasya cha vidhanat.
Karmayogasya cha vidhanat.
Is my voice clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, Deshanji.
My throat is completely affected. Nose is blocked. So, Kevala Sannyasat. Kevala is an adjective, is a Visheshanam. It's important. Sannyasaha. Sanyasanat. Kevalat Kevalat Sanyasanat. Just by mere giving up the possessions, one doesn't gain success. That is, success is moksha. One doesn't gain moksha. It means jnanaragitasya sanyasanat siddhihi na samadhigamyate. Siddhim na samadhigacchati. Jnanaragitasya sanyasat. Jnanaragita sanyasa is vidisha sanyasa, anatvavitrikartrika sanyasa. Therefore, anatvavitrikartrika sanyasat kevalat siddhim na samadhigacchati. Therefore, siddhihi mokshaha katham labhyate jnana sagitasya. That is by jnanam sarva karma sannyasa. Sarva karma sannyasa means jnana, not giving up all the karma. That is not also possible. Impossible. Sarva karma sannyasa, what? How will you give up the karma? All the karma. Kartrutva tyaga, that is by knowledge, that is sarva karma sannyasa, that is vidvat sannyasa, atmavitta kartrika sannyasa. In fact, that is one's level below jnana nishta. So for here, jnana sagitasya siddhi sadhanatvam ishtam. Therefore, sannyasa should be jnana sagita sannyasa. That is ishtam, that is desired. Siddhi sadhanatvam, siddhi, that is the end, the success, that is moksha. For that, which enjoy the status of being a sadhanam means jnana sagitaha sannyasaha. That is vidvat sannyasaha. Therefore, with jnana sagitasya siddhi sadhanatvam ishtam. From the words of the Lord, we can know. And also, karma yogasya vidhanat. Karma yoga is asked to perform. Because instead of jnanaragita sannyasa, karma yoga is better. Visishtatvam. Therefore, karma yoga is visishtatvam uttam. Jnanaragitasya sannyasaha shreyan.
Jnanarahitasya
Jnanarahitasya
sannyasah
shreyan.
shreyan.
Kim va karma yoga shreyan.
Kim va
Kim
karma
va
yoga
karmayoga
shreyan.
shreyan.
Iti etayoho
Iti
Etayoho
vishesha bubutsaya
Visheshana
Visheshabhutsaya
bubusaya.
Arjunaha uvacha.
Arjuna
Arjuna
uvacha.
Uvacha
Sanyasam karmanam Krishna naryogam cha shamsasi.
Sanyasam
Sanyasam
karmanam
karmanam
Krishna
Krishna Punaryogam cha
punaryogam cha
shamsasi.
shamsasi.
Yachreyetayorekam tanme brugi sunischitam.
Yashreyayetayorekam
Yashreyayetayorekam
tadme
tadmekam
me
bruvhi
bruhi
sunischitam.
sunishitam.
Shreyan, Shreyas Shabdasya Pratama Ekavachanam Pullinga. Shreyan, Shreyam, So, Shreyam, Saha, Sakaranta Shabda. Therefore, Sanyasaha, Shreyan. Kidrishaha Sanyasaha, Jnanaragitasya Sanyasaha. Sanyasa, which is Jnanaragita, lack of knowledge, no knowledge. Just Kevala Sanyasa. अनात्मवित्तकर्तक संन्यास, विविदिशा संन्यास. Otherwise, is that greater, Shreyan, better, or Kimva, Karma Yoga Shreyan, or Karma Yoga? When the person asks such question itself, it is clear that person is not interested in sannyasa. The person is committed to sannyasa and ready to follow the rules enjoined in the Shastram for sannyasa ashrama. The person without asking question takes a sannyasa. They will never ask question, this is better, that is better, which shall I take? Bhagavan knows the buddhi of, Bhagavan knows the Arjuna. Bhagavan knows the buddhi of Arjuna. Bhagavan knows where Arjuna also will fit. Therefore, only he praises Karma Yoga, Karma Yogasya Vishishtatva Vidhanam. Bhagavata Kriyate. Bodha Nishreyasa Vachanam and Visishtatva Vidhanam Cha. Karma Yogasya Nishreyasa Vachanam Visishtatva Vidhanam Cha. Bhagavata Uttam. So, Yeta Yoga Kaha Shreyan iti Vishesha Bubutsaya, Visheshen, particularly Bubutsaya Bodhamichaya Arjunaha Prishtavan. Arjunaha Uvacha Sannyasam Karmanam Krishna Punaha Yogam Cha Shamsasi. Shams Dhatu praises Sannyasaha Karmana Sannyasam Karmanam Krishna Punaha Yogam Cha Karmanam Sannyasaha Karmanam Shashti Vyakti. Therefore Karmanam Sannyasam Shamsasi. That is one sentence. Bhagavan Tvam Karmanam Sannyasam Bhavan Shamsasi. Hey Krishna. Punaha again. Yogam Cha Tvam Shamsasi. You also praise yoga. Yoga is Karma Yoga. So, both stuti you do. Sannyasa stuti also you do. Karma sannyasa stuti also you do. Yoga stuti also you are doing. Therefore, there is a confusion. Yatu Shreyaha. Shreyaha Tatu. Shreyaha Napumsakalinga. Shreyaha Shreyasi Shreyamsi. Ekam Etayoha Yatu Shreyaha. Among these two, which is Shreyaha, which is Shreyasadram, which is better. Both are Shreyas. Both are Nishayasa Karatva Vachanam. Both Ubhayoga Nishayasa Karatva Vachanam Uktam. But which is better? Yatu Shreyaha. Tatu me bhugi. That you please tell me Sunishitam for sure. Let there not be this. That is also better, that is also better, that thinking. Tell me for sure, which is better? Yatu Shreyaha. Yatu Sunishitam, you please tell me, Brughi, for definitely, for sure. Iti Arjunaha Prishtavan. Now, I think from here we have to see Sannyasam Parityagam
Sannyasam
Sannyasam
Parityagam
Parityagam
Karmanam Shastriyanam
Karmanam
Shastriyanam
Shastriyanam
Anushtheya Visheshanam
Anushtheya
Anushtheya
Visheshanam
Visheshanam
Shamsasi
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 Prashamsasi
Prashamsasi
Shamsi
Katayasi iti etat
Kathayasi
Kathayasi
iti
iti
etat
etat
Punaha Yogam Cha
Punaha
Yogam
Yogancha
cha
Teshameva Anushtanam
Teshameva
Teshameva
Anushtanam
Avashyam Avashya Kartavyam Shamsasi
Avashya Kartavyam
Kartavyam
Shamsasi
Shamsasi
Sanyasaha Sampurvaka Samnipurvaka Upasarga Samupasarga Nipurvaka Asdavataho Kim Pratyam Yojayitva Sanyasaha iti Shabdaha Nishpadyate. Sannyasa, it means as means to throw. Equivalent word is Tyaga, Tej. So tyagaha, parityagaha. Sannyasa is parityagaha, giving up, renunciation of what? Karmanam. Karmanam parityagaha, karmanam sannyasam. What karma? Shastriyanam. Karma which are enjoined by the Shastra. Not only that Shastriya, Vaidika karmani, Lokika karmani also. Person cannot do the same set of karma. He does karma either for himself or for the sake of the people around, family members. So where is Lokika karma for him? So Shastriyana, very specific, the Shastriya karma, which are Anushtheya Visheshana, which are to be followed. Anushtheya, which is Anushtheya Visheshanam, Anushtheya Visheshanam Shastriyanam, which are to be followed. Anushtheya means must be like what? Nitya Naimithyadi, Nitya Karma, Naimitya Karma, all these karmas have to be followed. They are Shastreda, Shastragi Vigitani, Karmani, Nitya Karma, Nitya Karmani, Naimitya Karmani. But that a sannyasi cannot do, therefore should be given up. That is why Shastriyanam, Anushtheya Visheshanam, Karmanam, Parityagam, Sannyasam, Bhavan, Atvam, Shamsasi, Prashamsasi, you praise. Akarshena, Shamsasi, you praise. And also, Prashamsati Katayasi, you praise, you tell. Punaha Yogam cha, again, yoga also. Tesham Anushtanam, Avashya Kartavyatvam, Kartavyam, Shamsasi. Again, Tesham Anushtanam. Tesham referring to the Shastriyanam, Anushte Visheshanam, Karmanam. The performance of those karmas, which are Avashya Kartavyam, should be mandatorily, necessarily should be followed. Iti Shamsasi Katayasi, you say. That also you say, this also you say. Karma Sannyasa also you say, and Karma Anushtanam also you say, you're saying. Which one should I do? Therefore, Ataha
अतः
Me Katarat Shreyaha Iti
मे
मे
कतरत्
कतरत्
श्रेयः
श्रेयः
इति
इति
Samshayaha
संशयः
संशयः
Kim Karma Anushtanam Shreyaha
किं
किं
कर्मानुष्ठानं
कर्मानुष्ठानं
श्रेयः
श्रेयः
Kim Va Tadhanam Iti.
किं वा
किं वा
तद्धानमिति
तद्धानम् इति
What is Tadhanam? You know Sanskritam very well. Tadhanam. Dhanam is Dhanam, charity. Karmanushtanam Shreyaha Kim? Kim Atava Tadhanam iti. What is Tadhanam? Many things I assume that you know it. Tat Hanam, giving up, Oha Tyage.
yeah
Sandhya also happened. Jayoho Anyatarasya.
yes
Tadhanam, you have to split to understand it is sibilant.
yes
Hanam. Hanam is what? Oha Tyage, giving up. Sannyasa, giving up. Karmanushtanam Shreyaha, otherwise what should be? Karma Tyagaha, that's what Hanam is. You have to see the word and find out what letter, what sandhi, and of course, ha, vaha, tyage, ha means to give up. The dhatu you must know. Right? Hanam, iyate. Okay. Prashasyataram cha anushteyam.
प्रशस्यतरं
प्रशस्यतरं च
अनुष्ठेयम्
अनुष्ठेयम्
Atascha
अधश्च
अधश्च
yat shreyah prashasyataram.
यत
यत्
श्रेयः
प्रशस्यतरम्
प्रशस्यतरम्
Shreyaha is equal to prashasyataram. Shreyaha napumsakalinga. That's why prashasyataram. Etayoho.
एतयोः
Karma sannyasa karma yoga yoho.
कर्मसन्न्यास कर्मयोगयोः
यदनुष्ठानात्
यदनुष्ठानं
यदनुष्ठानात्
श्रेयो वाप्तिः
श्रेयो
श्रेयो
वाप्नोति
मम स्यात्
मम
मम स्यात्
इति मन्यसे
इति मन्यसे
तत् एकम्
तत्
तत्
एकम्
अन्यतरत् अन्यतरत् सः एकपुरुष अनुष्ठेयत्व असम्भवात्
अन्यतरः सः एकपुरुष अनुष्ठेयत्वात् असम्भवात्
सम्भवात्
मे ब्रूहि
मे
मे
ब्रूहि
ब्रूहि
सुनिश्चितम्
सुनिश्चितम्
अभिप्रेतं तव इति
अभिप्रेतं
प्रीतं
तव
तव
इति
इति
because you are praising both कर्मणां परित्यागं कर्मानुष्ठानं च शंससि अतः मे मम संशयः अस्ति what संशयः कतरत् श्रेयः कतरत् डतरच् प्रत्यय it's tadita word kim plus datarach you get katarat can be declined it's not a via katarat shreya napumsakalinga katarat because shreya declines napumsakalinga so katarat there's a datarat pratyaya is the datarat so the tadita so katarat shreya katarat means katarat anyatarat there are many such words even Shabdamanjari you will see katarat among the two which one is shreya which is better katarat shreya which one is better iti mama samshayah asti kim karmanushtanam shayah kim va tadhanam kim tat hanam tat referring to karma hanam karma tyagah tasya hanam kasya karmanah hanam tat tadhanam tadhanam is compound tat plus hanam tat referring to karma tasya hanam giving up of that what is that karma so karmanushtanam shayah atava कर्म त्याग श्रेय कर्म त्यागम कर्म तद्धानम श्रेय इति कर्म त्याग श्रेय शुड नॉट से कर्म त्याग श्रेयान कर्म तद्धानम श्रेय अथवा so you have to see the gender prashasthyatam cha anushtheyam having known that then what you will do having known that whichever is better and also that is to be followed anushtheyam prashasthyatam anushtheyam yatu prashasthyatam tat anushtheyam what about the other one give up अतः यत् श्रेयः that is प्रशस्यतरं which is प्रशस्य which is better एतयोः कयोः कर्मसन्न्यास and कर्मयोगयोः which is प्रशस्यतरं following that यत् अनुष्ठानात् whichever is प्रशस्यतरं श्रेयः following that यस्य अनुष्ठानात् कस्य प्रशस्यतरस्य अनुष्ठानात् श्रेयो वाप्तिः श्रेयसः अवाप्तिः श्रेयो वाप्तिः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष श्रेयः श्रेयसः अवाप्तिः श्रेयो वाप्तिः gaining of that which is shreyas moksha shreyas means moksha siddhi shreyo vaptihi mama syat will happen for me iti aham manyase I think so following the better one among the two that will give me moksha tat ekam why I am asking this because tat ekam that one whichever is shreyas that one yat shreyah tat ekam among the two which is one anyatarat saha along with the other one not possible to follow ekapurushena ekapurusha anushthayatva asambhava because of the impossibility of following by the same person that is why I'm asking tell me one which among the two is better because Arjuna knows sannyasa and yoga cannot go together both are different ashrama different lifestyles Sannyasi doesn't have a family, doesn't have a wife. Basic difference. He cannot cook, he has to beg and live. Not Karma Yoga is, Grihastha is different. They have to provide food to the sannyasi. They have to take care of the sannyasi. Society should support sannyasi. The sannyasi dependent on Grihastha. So therefore, both are different. Therefore, both cannot be followed. A person cannot be a sannyasi in the morning and a Grihastha in the evening. But there are people in Rishikesh like that. Has to be careful. So therefore, both cannot be followed. Therefore, ekam अन्यतरतु सह एकपुरुषेण एकपुरुषानुष्ठेयत्व संभवात् अनुष्ठेयत्वा संभवात् because of the impossibility of following the both by the same person. Same person means simultaneously. Followed by the same person, possible when? If it is followed at different times, then it is possible. Karma Yoga first, followed by Sannyasa. But together, it means simultaneously, it is not possible to follow. Therefore, I'm asking, me Burugi, what do I ask? Me Burugi Sunishitam, for sure, Avabhipretam, your Abhipraya, your opinion, your view on that. I ask, I seek. Tava Abhipretam iti me Burugi. Iti the first shloka. Second shloka we will read, but before that, Shankaranandiyam. We will see. I forgot to open that PDF. Just a minute. Yes. Priyabodhini. Yes. Here also the author, like Shankaracharya, gives a long commentary, long introductory bhashyam. Same format you will see. Karmanya karmayah pashyediti arabhya karma sannyasam upakramya jnanadidagda karmanam shariram kevalam karma yadachala vasantushtaha sarvam karma kilam partha jnanagnihi savakarmani yoga sannyasta karmanam. All these, like Bhashyakara, quoting from the previous chapter, fourth chapter. Iti etaihi vakyaihi brahmavidaha, for the one who knows Brahma, that is Brahmavit, Brahmanishtasya kartavyaha karma sannyasah eva iti. By Brahmanishta, sannyasah eva, karma sannyasah eva kartavyaha, should give up karma. Should give up karma, katrutva vimana tyagaha. Because the person is having done Shravanam, Mananam, and Nididhyasanam, or doing Nididhyasanam, Jnananishta. Therefore, that Abhimana, that Aham Karta, Aham Bhokta, Pashyan, Shrinvan, Sprasan, Jigran, Nashtan, Gachan, Swapan, Shwasan, Pralapan, Visarjan, Grindan, Unmishan, Nimishan, Napi, Indriyan, Indriyanate, Shvartante. Naiva Kinchit Karomiti. Iti Akartritva Upadesha. Shastra does Upadesha, teaching of non-doership. Aham na karta, Atma na karta, Aham Atma. That Drida Jnanam should be there. For that, one should not entertain the idea that I do. That is what Nididhyasanam is. Who can do? Only those who are exposed to Shastram, those who have done Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasanam. That is what Uktam in the fourth chapter. Therefore, karma sannyasaha kartavyaha. They can give up all the karma sannyasa, sarva karma sannyasaha. Eva iti pratipadya, having revealed, having presented, idanim, now, karma sannyasa karma yoga yoho, ekadaika purusha ananushtegatvam, ubayoho, avyavagita sadhana bhavena, ekarta upyogitvam, palaikatve api. Tayoho sadhya sadhana bhavena, purvapara bhavitvam, कर्मयोग साधन साध्ये ज्ञान संप्राप्ते ब्रह्मविदः कर्तव्यः सर्वकर्म संन्यासः एव इति इत्याद्या अर्थनिरूपणाय पंचमाध्यायः आरभ्यते. Now this chapter is begin sannyasa karma yoga. Among these two by one person, by same person, its anushtanam is not possible. Therefore, ubayoho avyavagita vyavagita sadhana bhavena. One is sakshat karanam, other one is parampara karanam. Which is parampara karanam? Karma yoga. Which is sakshat karanam? Jnanam sannyasa. Therefore, avyavagita sambandha, avyavagita vyavagita sadhana. Sadhana is sadhanam, the karanam. One is karanamiti. Vyavahita karanam is karma yoga. Avyavahita karanam jnanam. Bhavena ekartha upyogitvam. But both are for gaining the same thing. Ekartha upyogitvam. One thing is, one is sakshat karanam, other one is paramparaya karanam bhavati. But palaikatve, but ekatvam eva pala, the result is one. Therefore, sadhya sadhana bhavena, the sadhana which is done to gain the sadhyam, sadhya sadhana bhavena, purapara bhavitvam, which is sadhyam for which is sadhanam for which sadhyam. Karma yoga is a sadhanam for jnana yoga. Jnana yoga is a sadhanam for jnanam and therefore moksha. Therefore, purva apara. Purva is first, apara next. So bhavitvam, karma sadhana sadhye jnana samprapti. Karma is a sadhanam for the sadhyam jnanam. But jnanam samprapte, when jnanam is gained, brahmavidah किं कर्तव्यं? ब्रह्मविदः सर्वकर्म संन्यासः कर्तव्यः एव. ब्रह्मविदः by the wise man, by the one who has done Jnana Yoga, who has done Shravanam, Mananam, who has done Shravanam, Mananam, and for Nididhyasanam purpose. Or Nididhyasanam also, if a person has gained Jnana Nishtha, then sannyasa has no meaning. Whether it takes sannyasa or not, doesn't matter. Jnani is a Jnani. So for Sarvakarma Sannyasa Kartavyaha, when we say, for the sake of Jnana Nishtha, that is for Nididhyasanartham, Karma Sannyasa Kartavyaha, you should take to Sannyasa Ashrama. Iti, Evam Ityadi Artha Nirupana, in order to do the Nirupanam of this meaning. Panchamadhyaha Arabhyate, 5th chapter begins. Tatradu Loka Sangrameva Piti, Vidushaha Loka Hitartham Karma Kartavyam iti. कर्मयोग उपक्रम्य उपक्रांते वर्तयोच कर्माणि इति तत्र स्वदृष्टान्तं विदाय गुणागुणेषु वर्तन्ते इति न्यायेन अनुष्ठातव्यम् इति अनुष्ठान प्रक्रियां सूचयित्वा एवं पूर्वैः पूर्वतरं कृतम् इति तस्य शिष्ट अभ्युपगतत्वं दर्शयित्वा तस्मिन्नेव कर्मयोगे कुरुकर्म तस्मात्त्वम् इति योगम् आतिष्ठ उत्तिष्ठ इति संन्यासेन सह उपदिष्टे सति. Long sentence. Although before beginning, Lokasangramevapi Sampashi. Bhagavan said before, Lokasangramevapi, even from the standpoint of the Lokasangraha, Karmakuru, Lokasangramevapi, iti Vidushaha Lokaitartham. The 3rd chapter, Bhagavan said, Lokasangramevartham Karma. Like the Janaka and all, though Jnani, but they are following Karma. Lokasangramevapi Sampashin Kartum Argasi. Karmaneva samsiddhi astitaha janakadeha iti. So iti karma kartavyam iti uttva karma yogam upakramya, having presented karma yoga, now upakrante at the end, what did Bhagavan say? Vartayeva karmani, aham also follow the karma. Swadrishtantam vidaya, giving himself as an drishtantam as an example, so that people will follow, emulating. So gunaha guneshu vartante, again 3rd chapter. Gunaha guneshu vartante iti matva na sajjate. Gunaha guneshu vartante. So therefore, iti nyayena anushthatavyam iti anushtana prakriyam suchayitva. It means kartrutva bha. Gunaha guneshu pravartante. In that, what is that I am going to add? Why should I bring in the kartrutvam? Gunaha guneshu pravartante. इति मत्वा न सज्जते. There is no sajjanam, there is no attachment to that. Therefore, it is kartrutvam, aham atma karta iti jnanam. Gunas you cannot stop because gunas are prakriti, it is swabhava is gunaha, guneshu pravartante eva. Body has its one dharma, mind has its dharma, sense organs has its dharma. But sense organs open the eyes, you see the object, no choice. But I see that I am the seer, that seership can be given up. Doership can be given up. That is jnanam. So the person who has got jnanam, therefore, anushthatavyam, that which should be followed, anushtanam, anushthatavyam, anushtana prakriyam suchayitva. Therefore, one should follow the karma which are mandated. Like, and also, evam in this way, even purvaihi purvatarang kutam. How? As did by the ancestors, similarly, shishta abhyugatatvam darshagitva. Shishta abhyugatatvam means accepting, accommodating abhyugatan of the shishta achara. Shishta achara, having shown the shishta achara, shishta achara, Bhagavan himself with the example. Purvaihi, because he himself says, even though I don't have anything to accomplish in the three worlds, but still I do karma. Name partha asikatvyam tashu lokeshu kinchana. Nanava vaptam avaptavyam. Vartayevacha karmani. Therefore, shishta abhyugatatvam darshigitva. Therefore, tasmineva karma yoge. In that karma yoga, Upadesha, Bhagavan says, Tasmat, Guru karmaiva tasmat. Therefore, you do karma. Iti. And also in the last chapter, last shloka, Yoga matishta uttishta. Therefore, get up and fall. And atishta, follow karma yoga iti. Sannyasena saha upadishte sati. When the Upadesha is given along with sannyasa, karma sannyasa karma anushtana yoho, there comes the problem, there comes the confusion. Karma sannyasa karma anushtana yoho, vayoho, yugapata kartavyattvena, when both as a status of to be followed, to be done simultaneously, what both karma sannyasa and karma yoga, prapta yoho, it is like what? Chakshuhu unmilanam nimilana, opening the eyes at the same time closing. Both should be done simultaneously. How is it possible? Either you can keep your eyes open or you can close it. So unmilana nimilanavat. In the Bhashyam Bhashyakara gives gati stitavat. Two contradictory actions. Not possible by the same person simultaneously. Iti anyonya virodat. First, it has got mutual contradiction. Therefore, ekena ekada eva, by the same person simultaneously kartam ashakyatvat, because it is not possible to follow. Therefore, dvayoho anyatarasya, among the two, which one is kartavyatve prapte, one of them to be followed. When it is obtained, one of them to be followed. Tayoho yat shrestataram, which is best among them. Pumartha sadakam, it is Atta sadakam, Pumartha sadakam, Moksha sadakam it is. It is the Moksha sadakam, Tat jnatva, ekam katam shakyate, knowing that one can be followed. Iti, Tat anyatara sreshtatva vijignasaya arjunaha uvacha. Therefore, wanting to know the one by following which sreshtatvam, you can gain the sreshta, sheshtatva, which following one, Shayas can be gained. Therefore, the one must be Sreshta. One must be Tata Anyatatara Sreshtatvam. One must be Sreshta Sadhana. One must be enjoying the Sreshtatvam. Therefore, knowing which, Arjuna wanted to know that. Therefore, Vijignasaya Arjuna. With the Jignasa, with the desire, wanting to know. Vijignasaya, Sreshtatva Jignasaya. Sorry. Sreshtatva Jignasaya. Jignasa, Yatamicha, Ichaya. With the desire, Arjuna Uvacha, Arjuna asked. So, Jignasaya, Arjuna Uvacha. So, Jignasaya Tritiya. What Tritiya? It is Karana Tritiya. Nanu Atra, Eta Yoga, Karma Sannyasa, Karma Yoga Yoga. Purva Pakshi. Among these two, karma sannyasa and karma yoga, it is shreshthataram, that which is best, superior. Tat me brogi iti Arjunasya prashnaha. That you tell me iti Arjunasya question. That question of Arjuna. Which is best among the two? That you tell me, O Lord. Iti, the question what he asked. Tat kim vidvat kartarka karma sannyasa karma yoga yoho va. The sannyasa and karma yoga, the sannyasa is vidvat kartarka karma sannyasa and karma yoga, or karma yoga yoga. What among the two? That which is best among the two, what are those two? Is it vidvat kartarka karma sannyasa and karma yoga, or kim avidvat kartarka karma sannyasa karma yoga yoga, or avidvat kartarka sannyasa and karma yoga? One more option Acharya here gives. Uta, or vidvat avidvat kartarka karma avidvat kartarka sannyasa karma yoga yoga va iti chet uchyate. Sannyasa, you are saying, what is that? Sannyasa and karma yoga. Is it vidvat kartarka sannyasa and karma yoga, or avidvat kartarka sannyasa and karma yoga, or vidvat avidvat kartarka karma sannyasa and karma yoga? You tell which one among the two, which you have to tell which one among the three, which one is that? Two are there. What are those two? There itself, the problem, confusion starts. Which one is that? The first one cannot be. That is vidvat kartarka sannyasa and karma yoga. That cannot be. That combination cannot be. Na adyaha. Nadyaha. Why? Nirantara samadhi samutpanna samyajnanena brahmaivahamiti nishkriye pare brahmani eva atmabhavam upetya. Nirantara, always. Always in samadhi, that is absorption of the mind in the Atmatattva, oneself. Samutpanna samyajnanena, the jnanam which is samyak utpannam. By that, ahameva brahma iti, in that Brahma which is Nishkriyam, which is Parabrahma, eva Atmabhavam upetya. Having Atmabhavam in this Parabrahma which is actionless, Sada Tadatmana eva tishtataha. Always I am that Atma Brahma iti tishtataha, the one who lives, who dwells. Brahmavidaha. Tad viparita Atma Ajnana Mulaka Anatma Tadatmya Asambhavat. For the Brahmaveda, for the Jnani, who always remains in this Atma Bhava, for him, Anatma Bhava is not possible. Tad Viparita is opposite to that. Opposite to that is Atma Ajnana Mulaka. Mulaka, the root of Atma Ajnanam, that is Anatma. Anatma Tadatmyam. Anatma Tadatmyam is taking oneself to be the Sharira Manasangata Anatma. That is not possible. Asambhavat. Aham Ahankaraika Karanakaha Karma Yoga na Katanchana Siddhyati. Karma Yoga must have, the person who does Karma Yoga, he must have Kartrutva Abhimana. Without Kartrutva Abhimana, Karma Yoga is not possible. So Karma Yoga, which has the Karanam, the Hetu, the Karanam, is Ahankara. Aham iti. Ahankara is there. Ahankarika Karanaka Karma Yoga. Karma Yoga, which has the Karanam, Eka Karanam, Ahankara. Ahankaraika Karanakaha is Bhagavati Samasa, qualifying Karma Yoga. Ahankaraha eva Ahankaraha Eka Karanam. Ahankaraha Eka Karanam Yasya Karma Yogasya Saka Karma Yogaha Ahankaraika Karanakaha Karma Yogaha. The Kap Pratyaya is there. Bhagavati Kap Pratyaya will be there. The Karma Yoga is characterized by Ahankara, Ahamkarta iti. That is not possible for Brahmavita. Na Katanchana Siddhyati. How can it be possible? Yes, Atma Bhavam, Anatma Bhavam is not possible. Because Anatma Bhavam is opposite to Atma Bhava. Therefore, Anatma Tadatmya Asambhavat Kasya Atma Vidaha. Therefore, Karma Yoga na Siddhyati. And Swa Virodini Samyajnane Vijrumbane Sati Arke Tamasaha Iva Jnanasya Sriti Anupapattau Vidushaha Anatma Tadatmyam na Sambhavati Eva. Swavirodhi Samyak Jnani. When Samyak Jnana, which is Viroda to Anatma Tadatmya, when that Vijrumbhar, when the awakening of Atma Jnanam happens, then Sati, Arke Tamasaha Iva. Arka is Surya. And so sun is there, darkness cannot be, both cannot coexist simultaneously. Therefore, Ajnanasya Sthitihi Anupapattau. Ajnanam cannot remain, then Kasya Vidushaha. Therefore, Anatma Tadatmyam is not possible for Atmavidaha. Therefore, Karma Yoga is not possible. Tadasambhave, Tat Karanaka, Ahankara Sambhavat. When Ajnanam is not there, then Ahankara Sambhavat. Therefore, Tad Eka Nibandhana Karma Yoga Swapne Api Sambhavitum Na Shakyante. Karma Sannyasa and Karma Yoga. Nibandhana together. Therefore, Tada Eka Nibandhana, this Karma Yoga, this Eka Nibandhana Badhyate iti Bandhana, Nibandhana, which binds. Karma, which requires this notion of Aham Karta iti. Therefore, that is not possible even in dream for Atmavit. Why? Because Ajnana Molakam is, Ajnana is the Mula, and Ahankara, Karma, Ahankara, that Ahankara Karanakaha Karma Yogaha, which is the cause for binding, bondage. Therefore, together, it cannot be performed by Atmavit. Therefore, Karma Yoga, even in Swapna, is not possible for Atmavit. Nahi Jagrataha Swapnartha Sambandhavat. Brahmavidyayameva Jagrataha Brahmavidaha Anatmadadatmya Tat Karya Sambandhaha Sambhavati. Sambhavati, na Sambhavati, you have to correct, not here. The one Jagrataha, the one who is awake, who is in the waking avastha, who is in the waking stage, he cannot have sambandha with swapnartha, with the objects in the swapna. Both are of different reality. Tadvati, similarly, Brahma Vidyayameva Jagrata, who has awakened to this knowledge of Brahma, Aham Brahma iti. For that person, Brahma Vidaha, Anatma Tadatmyam, Abhimana with Anatma, and Abhimana with Anatma is a Karanam, and Tat Karya. Tat Karya means the effect of that. I do karma, and the result of that karma accrues to me. Aham karma pala bhokta. That is karya. That sambandha not possible. Na sambhavati. Like as a person cannot have sambandha, have connection with the arthas, the objects, vastus which you see in the swapna. For the waking man, he cannot have sambandha with the things which he with the objects what he saw in swapna. Similarly, Dharma Vidyayam Jagrataha Anatma Tadatmyam na sambhavati tatkaryam api na sambhavati iti. This sentence is a little tricky, that's why I marked it. Okay, I think paraphrase will complete quickly. Naivasti kinchit kartavyam ityadi shruti smriti apramanya prasangat pratyaksha virodhacha vakra kotarattvadi dharma sandarshinaha sthano punaha choratta buddhihi palayanam chara sambhavati yatha tata brahma eva atmanam janataha tadananda anubhavataha सर्वं ब्रह्म एव पश्यतः ब्रह्मविदः अनात्मतादात्म्यापत्तिः कर्तृत्वबुद्धिः कामना च कर्मणि प्रवृत्तिः न संभवति. In the sthanu is pillar. Mistaking a pillar for the thief, and the resultant of that is running away from that. It is not possible for the person who sees very clearly it as sthanu. Vakra kotarattvadi dharmadarshinaha. Vakra kotaha. That is something which is hollow. That dharma, the character attributes, samyak darshinaha, the one who sees very clearly. In the sthanu, in the pillar, he cannot have, it means one who sees a pillar, he cannot have choratta buddhi in the pillar. And therefore the resultant palayanam, escaping, running away from, that is also not possible. Yatha na sambhavati tata Similarly, for Brahma eva Atma iti, Vijanataha, for the one who knows Aham Atma Brahma iti, for him, Sadananda Anubhavataha, enjoying that Ananda, Brahmananda, Sarvam Brahma eva Pashyataha, everything is Brahma iti, the one who sees, Brahmavidaha, Anatma Tadatmya Apattihi, Anatma Tadatmya Apattihi, not possible, Katrata Buddhi, Anatma, because of Anatma, that's Anatma Abhimana Kartrata Buddhihi, and therefore Kamana, the desire, and therefore Karmani Pravrittihi, these are not possible for Brahmavidaha. Therefore, Ataha, Vidvat Kartrika, Karma Sannyasa, Karma Yoga, Vishehana Sambhavati. Therefore, Sannyasa, there it is not Vidvat Kartrika Sannyasa. It cannot be Vidvat Kartrika Sannyasa, therefore it is ruled out. Therefore, it has to be what? Avidvat Kartrika Sannyasa, which is the second option. But before that, the third option has to be ruled out. Vidvat, Avidvat Kartrika Sannyasa, and Karma Yoga. That combination also have to be ruled out. That he says, Napi Tritiyaha, the third option. Third option also not possible. Vidvata Avidvata Yoho, Paraspara Virodhat, Paraspara Virodini, Paraspara Virodin Yoho, Ekadikaranatva Anupapattau. A person cannot be intelligent at the same time fool. A person cannot be knowledgeable at the same time without knowledge. A person cannot say Aham Atma Brahma at the same time cannot say Aham Karta Bhokta unless he is a hypocrite. Therefore, both cannot be together because Paraspara Virodin Yoho. Therefore, Ekadikarana in the same locus, it cannot be possible. It cannot be there. Therefore, the Prashna Sambhava, therefore, there is no question of that. Therefore, third option is ruled out. Therefore, Parisheshat, Avidvat Kartrika Yoho, Karma Sannyasa, Karma Yoga Yoho, Doyoho, Ekada Eva, Kartavyatva, Prasakto, Api. Therefore, it boils down now only to the second option where Sannyasa and Karma Yoga, the Sannyasa is Avidvat Kartrika Sannyasa and Karma Yoga. Therefore, Tayoho, Prapto, Kartavyatva, Prapto, Ubayoho, when these two are obtained, to be followed, to be done. And since these two are Paraspara Virodatvena Saha, both cannot be followed simultaneously because one is Prayoga, other one is Ayoga. Prayoga, Ayogattayoho. One is involves withdrawal, other one is engaging in action. Therefore, among the two, Prashasya Taratve Siddhe, which one has the status of being better, superior? Siddhe, Tatra, Ekaha Mukshana, that alone by the Mumukshu, Kartum Shakyate, that can be done. One among the two, which is Prashastara, can be done by the Mumukshu. Iti, Tayoho Ekasya, Sreshtatta Jignasu, Arjunaha, who wants to know which is among the two is Sreshtaha, Sreshtattvam. Therefore, Arjunaha Prachati, Sanyasam Karmanam Krishna, Puradyogam Shamsasi, Yachrayayat Yorekam, Tanme Brugi, Sunishchitam iti. Then we will see this sloka, meaning the next class. Next class will not be that during the Navaratri days. After Navaratri, we will resume our class. So on Vijayadasami day, we will meet. Okay. Wish you all happy Navaratri. Om
Happy-
Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Shankarandhyam is simple. I hope you all follow. Bhashyam, we can deal with the words and grammatical explanation, etc. Not with the Shankarandhyam. Otherwise, class will never end. We will be in the fifth chapter only. Even the first chapter only. Okay. Just read when you have time. You understand. Simple meaning I have given. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు. హ్యాపీ నవరాత్రి.
Happy Navaratri.